Airtable is a flexible platform that can be used as a database, combining the simplicity of a spreadsheet with the power of relational database functionality. Here's how to use Airtable as a database. Create a base. Start by creating a new base. A base is a collection of tables, similar to a database file. You can create a base from scratch or use templates suited for your needs. Create tables. Each table in Airtable acts like a database table. Create tables to represent different data categories. For example, you could create a context table, an orders table, and an inventory table. Define fields. Each table contains fields that represent different data attributes. Airtable supports various field types, such as text, numbers, dates, attachments, and checkboxes. You can customize field types to suit your data structure. Link tables. Airtable allows you to create relationships between tables by linking fields across tables. For example, you can link an orders table to a context table to associate customers with their orders. Add records. Enter data as records in each table. You can add, edit, and delete records as needed. Use views. Organize and visualize data using different views, such as grid view, calendar view, Kanban view, and gallery view, depending on your requirements.